Welcome back to Copy Trading on YouTube. Today's video is going to be called Stock Trading on eToro. So today I'm going to close a swing position that I opened on Walt Disney, ticker name DIS, about 2 weeks ago. And the reason why I'm going to close the stock today and take the profits, and why and how and which websites I use when I'm looking for a good price to buy a stock. Okay, so with swing trading, it's anything from 2 days till several weeks. You hold a stock and you take the profit when the price rises with a buy position. So I bought the stock at $171.55, and now at the moment it is at 190.91. But you can see the pre-market trading, it's even up after that, up from that, from yesterday's trading, is up to 193.10. Okay, the reason why I picked Disney stock is because they were coming out with an earning report, which is to yesterday after the market closed. Okay, so and I bought the stock when it was at a low price. Okay, so if we look over the charts for 5 days, 6 months. So I bought down here at 171, guys. Can you see here the dip? So you look over the 6 months, the highest point is called a resistance. So that's the highest point is going to hit, and then it's going to start dropping in value. And then the lowest point is called a support line. So this is where the stock will hit, and either the traders or the analysts won't let the stock go any lower than that. So I bought it at a good price, about 171. The resistance had dropped down to 160, but I bought it at a good price at 171. Okay, so why did I buy this stock? Well, I knew that Disney was coming out with an earning report in 2 weeks. And just 2 weeks before that, Netflix, a similar company, came out with an earning report. And because everyone is at home now watching Netflix, watching Disney, their prices have gone up. So Netflix, when they released their earning report, their stock price went way up. So I know people are at home watching Disney, although their theme parks are closed. They're they're adding new services to Disney called Disney Plus soon, and also people are at home watching Disney, etc. And their their TV brands and TV programs are just doing really well. So similar to Netflix. So I looked. So when you're swing trading, you buy low and sell high. Okay. So I bought low here, and I'm going to sell high here now. So also I look at a website. The stock market opens in 3 minutes, so I'll be going through that. I also look at a website. You just type into Google Disney stock price prediction. And I can see here the prediction over 25 stock market analysts. They said that the stock price, it's at 190 now, but the median price for this stock for over the next 12 months is 200. So you'd want to be buying below the median price for the stock market prediction. Okay, the low is 124, but the high is 230. Okay. So I'm going to take the profits today because it's going to probably go up, or maybe go up over the 200. It might, and I'll take the profits. But I'm happy with the profits that I'm taking. It's already up. I'm up there like nearly $20 on each stock, and you can see I have 2.91 stocks there. Okay, so I've made my profit. I'm happy with that profit. I'm just going to close that down there. So also another website you need to look at, stock market opens in 1 minute. So I go through this at the end. I also look at stockcharts.com. You just put in the ticker DIS for Disney, and you can see the RSI model. Okay. So what is the RSI model? The RSI model, you use this website, just type into Google what is RSI, and then investopedia.com will come up with the answer. So the relative strength indicator is a popular momentum oscillator developed in 1978. The RSI provides technical traders signals about bullish and bearish price momentum and is often plotted beneath the graph of the asset price. So in this RSI model, it goes by percentage. So it says an asset is usually considered overbought when it's over the 70% and oversold when below the 30%. So you come to stockcharts.com, put in the ticker. Stock market is open, guys. So I'll just have to go back to that in a minute. I just want to make sure I'm watching this. So I will close this position. You can see there now that it's up. It's not moving there on eToro yet. Let's see. So let's look at the graph here. You can see it dropped a bit there. It's up to 193. So I'm looking at the first two candles on the 1 minute chart to see where the stock price is going to go. But I'm already way up on profit on this stock, so I'm not really worried. Okay, it's dropping in price there. So you can see there 60, 59. So you'd see the red candle there. So it's dropping, but let's see if it's a pullback, and it might start rising up because they come out with a good earning report that beat analysts' expectations in earning per share and in revenue. But what happens at the start? The people that were trading pre-market will sell off their stocks. But let's see, if the next candle is red, I'm going to sell the position, but I'm thinking it's going to go green here. Let's just see, but I'm still at a good price, guys. There's the green candle. So this sell off here. So you can see here I'm 59 in profits. Let's just watch this here. So I'll wait for the next candle. It's still only early days, 1 minute into the market. So we'll just watch this candle here. I'll be looking for a pullback because usually when there's a sell-off, there's a pullback in the green, but that's going red. People are selling off their stock. Okay. I'm going to take the profits on that, guys. I'm happy with that. Close the position, $60. Okay. So I don't worry what's going to happen now. So I'm finished. I have the profit on that one. So I'm going to tell you why I bought this stock at the moment here. Okay, so you type into stock chart. So I knew Disney was coming out with their earning report, okay? So I bought, this is the RSI model here. So you can see the percentage from 100% to 10% to zero, okay? And here is the price, the way the price was going up and down. So I bought on this dip. You buy on the low and sell on the high, right? So I bought on the dip. I bought one at 171. And you can see here in the RSI model, so 50% is in the middle. And then, so once it drops below this 50% or near this line 30, it means that it's oversold. So it's a good time to buy. But even if it's close to this line here, so if it's close to this line or underline, it's a great time to buy the stock. Okay. If it's above the 70%, it's not a good time to buy. It's a good time to short the stock or sell the stock because it's overbought and it's overpriced. Okay, so think of it as this middle line as maybe the even point. But if it drops below this middle line near the 30, it's a good time to buy. And you see, I bought it when it dropped below the 30. So it was like a 32% there. So I bought low and I sold high because I knew the earning report was coming out. So I bought it when it dropped here and the earning report was coming out and I took the profits. Okay, so we got $60 out of a $500 investment over 2 weeks, which is not bad at all. Okay, so that's the way you look at the stocks. And also, you also look at the news, guys. So you follow the news, Disney stock price, and you just put in Disney stock price and you can hit the news tab here and you'll get all the news from all the websites. Okay. Disney stock price up on surprise earning as streaming subscribers jump. So they come out with a good earning report yesterday that beat analyst expectations and beat earning per share. Because if you just want the earning report, you just put in Disney earning reports. And because Netflix come out with a good earning report, and you know that Disney is in the same market and they're doing the same kind of business at the moment. So they come out with a good earning report too. So you just look at the hints in the market. So let's just see here. This Disney stock, you put in Disney stock earning report. Okay. Yeah, Disney stock in quarter 4. So usually it comes up here as a snapshot of the earning report. So Disney, you can see here. Okay. Okay, so it says here Disney surprised analysts' earning expectation by a wide margin in quarter 1, 2021. Okay, so the company adjusted earning per share was positive, beating forecast of analysts. Loss per share and revenue and subscribers also exceeded analyst forecasts. So you look for that, guys. That means it's a good earning report. It's called a catalyst. Good news. This is fundamental trading. So you're using the news and you're using all these websites. So money.ccn.com. These are all the websites that you need. You don't have to pay for any of these subscriptions. If you need to know anything like what is a short position, you just type that in, and Google will, don't use Investopedia search, use Google to search Investopedia, because Investopedia will come up here as nearly the top result. So you can just click into there and boom, you have the answer to your question. Use stockcharts.com for the RSI model. Remember, if it's above the 70%, it's a good time to short the stock or sell the stock. If it's below or near the 30% percentage, it's a good time to buy the stock. And you see here at this time today, it's near the overbought section, over the 70%. So I sold. Okay, so buy low, sell high. Okay, and that's how I do my swing trading, and that's how I find my stocks. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and if you're new to eToro, you want to set up an account, use my partner link in the description. If you're supporting the channel, or if you want to set up a second account, use my partner link, go to copytradingforum.com, and I'll see you on the next video, and hope you have a great day ahead. Bye.